bed sheets feel empty.
I want to thank you once again. Today our focus is going to be about challenges. What are challenges? These are the hardships you go through. These are the limitations that make you unable to achieve. Or these are limitations that come on your way when you want to do something. When we are talking about challenges, we are talking about things that make your work very hard. Things that causes you to panic. And when we talk about them, we want to see what is it that you want to do, that you are able to do, but you fear, or there are certain limitations that makes you. So when we talk about these challenges, you need to come up with strategies to overcome them. But however, there are very important aspects about these challenges. Because one, they make you to release your potential. They make you to release your abilities. That makes you go, persist until you achieve what you want. One, these challenges are going to motivate you to work, because if you don't overcome them, you're going to give up and you will miss what you want to do. Two, these challenges, they need focus. When we talk about focus, you're going to look at things that you need to do fast so that you're able to reach where you want to make. So focus is one of the things. Three, you need to remain motivated. Why? Because if you are not motivated, you give up because of the challenges. So before you give up, you need to find out what is the magnitude of this challenge. Is it bearable or it is not bearable? And if it is bearable, what are you going to do about it? Then you do something about it. At the end of the day, you achieve what you want to achieve. So never give up about your challenges or problems. Never complain about them, but take actions about them. Convert them as opportunities. Because if you are able to convert your problems, you are able to convert your challenges as opportunities, then you are going to be able to be very good, and you will realize a very good results. So don't complain about your challenges. No. Make strategies about those problems or about challenges. Make sure you are able to turn those challenges or problems as opportunities. Learn from them, utilize them, develop new strategies, and make sure you appreciate them, because they make you learn a lot, so that by the time you face something similar, you will not be able to face it again. People who don't complain about their challenges, but convert these challenges as opportunities, discover new strength, they become more motivated, they release a lot of potential, they discover their strength in systems. So when in life, don't keep complaining about these problems. Don't complain about the challenges, but develop options, develop strategies to come out of these limitations. When we are talking about these challenges, we are looking at limitations that makes it very hard for you to succeed, for you to make things work out. So the question is, what must you be doing to see so that at the end of the day, you are in position to work them out, and you are in position to achieve your results that you desire. So another thing is, what have you learned out of those problems? And if you have not learned anything from the problems, what is it that you need to forget about? So you need to understand what were some of the challenges, what were some of the problems you faced, and what are the things that you can leave, let them go, and you concentrate on things that you can do to make you go forward. So you need to come up with these strategies to see that these problems at the end of the day, they go. Because if you don't understand and you don't focus on solving them, they are going to limit you, and at the end of the day, you are not going to achieve what you want to achieve. Therefore, you need to look about these challenges or problems in a very positive manner, so that they don't break you, so that they don't stop you from achieving other things. Many people would have been successful, but why are few successful? It is because people who are successful are able to convert their challenges, are able to convert their problems as opportunities. So, don't complain about challenges or problems, but take actions that are going to convert this as opportunities. Develop more strategies and remain focused. No matter how hard the challenge is, be positive, be motivated, and believe that you are going to succeed. Because if you don't believe that you are going to succeed, then you are going to be pressed down. And as you are pressed down, you will give up. But if you believe in them, you are going to be motivated and you are going to be focused and you work upon the strategies. Automatically, these challenges are going to be turned as opportunities. And once they are turned as opportunities, automatically success is yours. Thank you very much.
I love you more than I knew I could ever love someone. Baby, you're all, baby, you're all